Let's go walking with the folks. Little breeze going on here. Not cold either. 63 Fahrenheit.
Monitoring area.
Won't be long, we'll be going in spring. Barkley, want to go down there. You want to stay up here? Okay, that's good. I'll just stay up here. Barkley, that's where you peed last. Come on, Barkley. Darn dog. See what I can talk about here. Okay, from this vet, another way to keep cats away is peppermint. If your cat dislikes the smell of peppermint, they've again hit that toxicity meter on the nose. When ingested, peppermint and some of its relatives, not including catnip, can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and nausea. So peppermint. I know peppermint keeps ants away too. Maybe I'll grow all that everywhere. Have a peppermint smelling yard. What are you smelling? Deer or something? It's nice outside here. A little breeze going, a little sunshine, keep you warm. You guys keep smelling the same spot. Yeah, turn your head, Lucy. He's peeing there. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Don't be around Barkley. Barkley is a nasty dog. Put some more corn out for the deers on the ground too, and sunflower seeds. Go to bird feeders. Oh, wait a minute. Just wrap around your leg. How do you do that? How do you do that? Okay. There are a lot of birds. They should be happy. I got food. Bird feed on the porch doesn't need to be refilled. They're not hitting that early. I filled the one out in front here. Come on, doggies. Barkley's being again. He's a little pea monster. That's what he is. You gotta do something, Lucy? We'll wait on you. Get to business. Get to business, girl. Come on, get to business. There's nothing over there. Smelling the air. Smelling the air. We're looking at you. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh. Thanks to folks for walking with you. Thank you, folks. Thank you. We just woke up. I'm getting it, Barkley. Let's go. Thanks for watching.